Dear students, today we discuss line integral of a vector point function on a curve C. Here we discuss a line integral. Any integral which is to be evaluated along a curve is called a line integral. Means any integral which जो is to be evaluated निकाला जा सकता है along a curve. किसी भी curve के corresponding जो integral हम निकालते हैं that integral is called a line integral. Let RT xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap define a curve C joining A and B. Means from point say A here, point A to point B. So that curve is C, that is curve C, and that curve C can be written in parametric form as xi plus yj plus zk cap, where x, y and z are the function of t, are the function of variable t in parametric form, where at point A here, at point A t is equal to t1 and at point B here t is equal to t2. Suppose R is any point, suppose here P is any point on the curve, then position vector of any point on the curve is given by say R vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Suppose R vector gives the position vector of some point P on the curve where x, y, z are the function of parameter t and t lies between from t1 and t2 such that t is greater than equal to t1 less than equal to t2. So here A to B is any curve say C, and here P is any point on the curve and R be the position vector of that point P. If so, then now we draw a tangent to on that curve. So that represent the tangent on that curve, and tangent on that curve is written as here dr by dt. So tangent on that curve is dr by dt. So therefore dr by dt is equal to dx by dt I cap plus dy by dt j cap, dz by dt k cap is the tangent vector to the curve C at point P. If S is the arc length of the curve C, means from A to B is the curve, and if S be the arc length of this curve, if S is the arc length of the curve C, then dr by ds represent just a representation, a unit vector along the tangent to the curve C at point P. Means dr by dc मतलब a vector along the tangent to the curve, that is tangent dr by dt, a vector divided by its magnitude, or that term is represented by dr by ds. Just it is a representation of dr by dt by magnitude of dr by dt. That dr by dt क्या represent करता है? Tangent vector to the curve at point P divided by its magnitude. That term is represented by dr by dc, and it is a unit vector. It is a unit vector, that is magnitude of dr by ds is equal to 1. Let us denote dr by dt. Let us denote dr by ds. Let us denote dr by ds by t vector. Suppose f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap is a vector point function. It is a vector point function defined and continues on C for curve. Means ये हमारे पास एक vector point function है जो defined है और continuous है on curve C. Means at point this here is any f factor, at point this here is any f factor. Let at point P here is a consider the f vector, at point this here is a vector f vector which is continuous and defined on the curve AB. Now component, now we discuss. So therefore component of f vector in the direction of tangent means that here is f vector, or here it is a f vector and it is our tangent vector. So the component of f vector on that tangent vector means projection of this vector on this vector. Means we know that projection of a vector on b vector is a dot b upon magnitude of v. So here a vector is f vector and b vector is dr by dt vector. So therefore projection या component of f vector in the direction of tangent is f dot dr by dt. F a dot b upon magnitude of b means magnitude of dr by dt, which is equal to f dot dr by dt by magnitude of dr by dt. That term is represented by dr by dt divided by magnitude of dr by dt. That term is represented by dr by ds, so which is equal to f dot dr by ds, and also we denote dr by ds by t vector. So therefore that can be written as f vector dot t cap. So continue like this. For point, let us consider for another point, say q here, f vector this, and component of f vector on tangent vector. Consider another point, say r here is also f vector, then component of f vector on that tangent vector, and integrating and summing these all the component along the curve a to b, we get the line integral of a vector point function on along a curve AB, along the curve AB. So then integrating from a to b component of f vector along a tangent ds, that is equal to a to b component of f along AB is equal to component of f in the direction of the tangent is equal to f dot t vector into say ds. A to b, it is a scalar quantity, multiple of ds. A to b f t vector is replaced by dr by ds with ds, or a to b f dot dr. That term is also just, it is just a representation. It does not mean ds cancel out ds to ds. It is just not meaning. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप इसको ds से ds को कट कर दिया और इसको f dot dr लिख दिया. No, it is just a representation of that term. It is just representation of that term. A to b f dot dr is called the line integral of f on c. And also we know that dr by dt, also we know that r vector is equal to xi plus yj plus में zk, और in parametric form it is the function of t, मतलब xti plus ytj cap plus zt k cap in parametric form. So that is also a function of t. So we can write as dr by dt is equal to dx by dt into I cap, dy by dt से j cap, and dz by dt of k cap, and magnitude of dr by dt is equal to रूट ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ आई के कंपोनेंट का स्क्वायर, dx by dt का होल स्क्वायर, dy by dt ऑफ होल स्क्वायर, एंड dz by dt का ऑफ होल स्क्वायर. दैट टर्म इज आल्सो रिटन एज ds by dt and ds by dt, which is equal to magnitude of dr by dt. So from that ds is equal to magnitude of dr by dt into dt in parametric form. So therefore also we know that magnitude of dr by dt is equal to this term. So therefore ds is equal to magnitude of dr by dt into dt. So in parametric form that equation can be written as a to b f dot dr by ds into ds, scalar multiple, it is a scalar quantity. So a to b f dr by ds is replaced by here dr by ds is equal to dr by d magnitude of dr by dt. So f dot dr by dt divided by magnitude of dr by dt, and ds can be written as magnitude of dr by dt into dt. It is a scalar quantity. It is also a scalar quantity. That scalar quantity can be taken out from that dot product, and that term can be cancelled out from this term. So we have a to b f dot dr by dt and dt. It is the scalar product of f dot dr by dt into dt, that can be written as which is that can be written as represented by a to b f dot dr. इसका मीनिंग भी ये नहीं है कि आप dt से dt कैंसिल कट कर दो और ये f dot dr बन जाएगा. नहीं, जस्ट इट इज ए रिप्रेजेंटेशन. फॉर दिस इट इज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ of that term, and that is called the line integral of a vector point function f along on the curve C, along curve A to B. Now we discuss some numerical problem on this topic. Say question number first, evaluate integral along the curve C f dot dr from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 along the curve x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube, where f factor is equal to 3x square plus 6y cap minus 14y z cap plus 20x z square k cap. Solution. So parametric equation of the curve here. Parametric equation of the curve is given by here x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. So therefore position vector of any point p, say x comma y comma z on the curve is given by r vector is equal to xi plus yj cap plus zk cap. Putting the value of x, y, z in term of t in a parametric form, we have ti cap plus t square j cap plus t cube k cap. Differentiating with respect to t, derivative with respect to t on both sides, we have that term. Now given that f vector is equal to that term, and now replacing x, y and z in term of t, and we get the value of f vector in term of t. So we know that line integral of a vector point function f on curve C in parametric form is f dot dr, that represent the line integral of a vector point function f on curve C, which is equal to f dot dr by dt into my dt. Putting the value of f here from the above equation and putting the value of dr by dt from the above equation. Now calculate the scalar multiplication dot product of these two terms, we get this term. And also t varies from this curve. Curve varies from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, means x lies between 0 to 1. So therefore t lies between x is equal to t. So therefore t lies between 0 to 1. So therefore along that curve, value of t along the curve also varies from 0 to t. Now integrating from 0 to 1 and dot product of these two vectors, we have that, and after calculating we get the answer. After calculating and after solving these equations, we get the answer. Now we discuss next question. So question number second, evaluate integral C f dot dr for f vector is equal to yi cap plus x plus z का whole square j cap plus x minus z का whole square k cap from 0, 0, 0 to 2, 4, 0 along the parabola y is equal to x square, z is equal to 0, and the straight line y is equal to 2x in xy plane. So first we convert the given equation of the curve. Say parabola in parametric form. To convert that equation of parabola in parametric form, so let us we assume that, say here x is equal to t, so then y is equal to t square, or z is equal to 0, or 0 can be written as 0 into t. Okay, so therefore position vector of any point on the curve is can be written as, say, r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Writing this vector in parametric form, we have putting value x, y and z in term of t, and again differentiating with respect to t, we have dr by dt is equal to I cap plus 2t j cap plus 0 into k cap. Now here given that f vector is equal to this term, now replacing y, x, y, z in term of t, and we get the value of f vector in term of t. Now value of t along the curve 0, 0, 0 to 2, 4, 0 varies from here. Along that curve x varies from 0 to 2, x varies from 0 to 2, and x is equal to t here, so means t is also varies from 0 to 2. So along that curve t varies from 0 to 2, and we know that line integral of a vector point function f on C in parametric form is given by C f dot dr, which is equal to f dot dr by dt into dt. We know the value of f in term of t here, and we know the value of dr by dt in term of t here, putting the value of f vector and dr by dt here, and doing dot product of these two vectors, and taking limit from 0 to 2, we get the answer. We get the, and taking limit from 0 to 2, and doing this dot product t square I into I cap से t square j cap की j cap से करोगे तो 2t cube, and after integrating and solving this term we get the answer. For the second part, same we proceed the process. We convert that equation in the parametric form in the xy plane. To convert this into xy plane, we take z in the xy plane, we take z is equal to 0 and x is equal to t in parametric form, and y is equal to 2t, and proceed same according to same process, and we obtain the answer. Now we do next question, say question number 3rd. Calculate integral x square plus y square I cap plus x square minus y square j cap dot dr, where c is the curve. First part say y square is equal to x joining 0 0 to 1 comma 1. Second part x to the power 7 is equal to y joining 0 0 to 1 comma 1. Third point consisting of two lines joining 0 0 to 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0 to 1 1. Fourth part is consisting of three lines joining 0 0 to 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 1, 2 0 comma minus 1, and 0 comma minus 1 to 1 comma 1. Here we do two parts, say question part second and part 4, and part 1 and part 3. Try yourself in for part second. First we write the equation of the curve x to the power 7 is equal to y in term of parametric form. To convert it equation in parametric form, let us assume that x is equal to t, then y is equal to t to the power 7. Therefore we know that position vector of any point on the curve can be written as r vector is equal to xi plus yj cap, converting this vector in the parametric form, and from this we get the value of dr by dt. Now put f vector is given by that vector, and converted that f vector in parametric form, replacing x y and y by in term of t, and we get the f vector in term of t. Now value of t along the curve x to the power 7 y from 0 0 to 1 comma 1. Here x varies from 0 to 1, so therefore x is equal to t, so therefore t is also varies from 0 to 1. So we have integral say f dot dr, which can be written as f dot dr by dt into dt, putting the value of f in term of t here, putting the value of dr by dt in term of t here, doing the dot product and taking limit from 0 to 1, we get the required answer, required result. Now we do the fourth part. In case of fourth part, that is the consisting of three lines joining from 0 0 to 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 2 to 0 comma minus 1, and 0 comma minus 1 to 1 comma 1. So first we draw the diagram for this. First line says 0 comma 0 to 2 comma 1, x का component 2 and y का component is here minus 2. Second line is 2 comma minus 2 to 0 comma minus 1, and third line is from 0 comma minus 1 to 1 comma minus 1. The path of integration is from O 0 0 to A 2 comma minus 2, and after that A 2 comma minus 2 to B 0 comma minus 1, and after that B from 0 comma minus 1 to C 1 comma 1. So therefore integral over C f dot dr can be written as integration along first we calculate the integration along OA, after that we calculate the integration along AB, after that we calculate the integration along BC. Means it can be written as integration line integral along OA along the curve OA, line integral plus line integral along the curve AB plus line integral along the curve BC. So here given that f vector is equal to 0, so first we calculate the equation of the curve OA. Here clearly OA is a straight line. Clearly O is a straight line passing through 2 points from 0, 0 and 2, minus 2. We know that equation of a straight line passing through 2 points, let's say x1, y1 and x2, y2 is equal to y minus y2, which is equal to y minus y2 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into may x minus may x1. So therefore we have y minus y2 which is equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. After that we get y is equal to minus x, y is equal to minus x. That represent the equation of curve OA, yeah, equation of a straight line of OA. Now we convert that equation, now we write that equation of line OA in parametric form. In parametric form, for parametric form, here we take x is equal to t and y is equal to minus may t. Along the curve OA, along the curve O to A, x varies from 0 to 2. So therefore t is also varies from 0 to 2. Also t varies along OA from 0 to 2 because x varies from 0 to 2. So now integrating along OA f dot dr, which is equal to OA f dot dr by dt into dt, putting the value of f vector in term of t and putting the value of dr by dt in term of t, and after doing their dot product and taking limit of t from 0 to 2, we get the required result. So first to calculate the value of dr by dt, we know that position vector of any point on OA can be written as r vector xi plus yj cap, putting x and y in term of t, and we get the dr by dt. And also f vector is equal to this, and putting the value of x and y in term of t, we get the value of f vector in term of t, and putting this value of dr by dt and f vector in that equation, we get the desired result, required result. Similarly we calculate the second part, integral along AB. So first we calculate the equation of a straight line AB passing through 2 point, passing through point A and B. Now we calculate the equation of line. Now we calculate equation of line AB passing through A2, minus 2 and B0, minus 1 is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. After solving this, we get that equation. Now writing the equation of line AB in the parametric form. In parametric form, we write x is equal to t and y is equal to minus t by 2 minus may 1. Also t varies along the line A to B, along the line A to B, x varies from 2 to 0. X varies from along the line AB 2 to 0. So therefore t is also lies from 2 to 0. So along the line AB, t varies from 2 to 0. T varies from 2 to 0. So therefore position vector of any point on the line AB is r xi cap plus yj cap, putting the value of x and y in term of t, we get dr by dt. And also f vector is equal to this, putting value x and y from that x by is equal to t and y is equal to minus t by 2 minus 1, putting the value of x and y in term of t, and we get the value of f vector in term of t. And we know that integral from a to b f dot dr, a to b f dot dr by dt into dt, putting the value of f vector in term of t and putting the value of dr by dt in term of t, and limit of integration along ab, t varies from 2 to 0. The limit of integration is 2 to 0, and putting these values and doing their dot product, and we get the value of line integral f on the curve AB. Similarly, we calculate the equation of the equation of line BC passing through the point B 0, minus 1 and C 1, 1 is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, and we get y is equal to 2x minus 1. Now we convert that line BC in parametric form. For parametric form, let x is equal to t and y is equal to 2t minus 1. Along the line BC, along the line B to C, x varies from 0 to 1, so therefore t is also varies from 0 to 1. Also t varies along BC from 0 to 1. The position vector of any point on line BC is r vector xi plus may yj, putting value of x in term of t and y in term of dt, and we calculate dr by dt. Also we know that f vector is given here, putting value of x and y in term of t, replacing x by t and y by 2t minus 1, and we get the value of f vector in term of t, and we know that integral along integral of this f dot dr along BC, which can be written as along BC f dot dr by dt, putting the value of f vector and putting the value of dr by dt and doing their dot product along BC. T varies from 0 to 1, and calculating this we get the required value, say 2 by 3. So therefore integral of f over the curve C is equal to integral of f over curve OA plus integral of f on curve AB plus integral of f on curve BC, and putting this value we get the required result. Thank you friends. क्लियर सभी बच्चों को?